In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn off two-step verification on GoDaddy. To begin, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you will see your name or username. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to your personal account options and security settings. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage important details related to your GoDaddy account. After that, click on Security. This section is where GoDaddy stores the tools and options used to help protect your account, including sign-in verification methods. Once you are on the security page, find the section labeled Two-Step Verification. This is the area that shows the extra verification methods currently connected to your account. Depending on how your account is set up, you may see options such as text message verification or an authenticator app. Take a moment to identify the specific verification method that you want to remove. Next to that verification method, click Delete or Turn Off. The wording may vary slightly depending on the type of verification method you are using, but the goal is the same. You are selecting the option that disables that method from your account. If GoDaddy asks you to confirm your choice, carefully review the prompt and continue with the removal process. It is important to make sure you are removing the correct verification method, especially if you have more than one security option connected to your account. Also, remember that turning off two-step verification can make account access faster, but it also reduces an extra layer of protection. If you still want additional security, you may want to keep at least one trusted method enabled, rather than removing them all. After you complete the change, your selected two-step verification method will no longer be active for future sign-ins. It is a good idea to double-check the security section afterward so you can confirm that the method has been removed successfully. That covers everything you need to know.